Imagine walking into work one day, ready to showcase your data in digital dashboards and reports on your digital signage screens, only to find that your content is frozen or is displaying error messages. What's the culprit? It turns out that a seemingly innocent update from a third-party data solution could be to blame. In the fast-paced world of digital signage, staying compatible can feel like walking a tightrope. So today we're going to explore how evolving third-party solutions can create unexpected challenges for legacy devices and how you can keep your displays running smoothly. Data visualization lends itself to numerous industries, including healthcare, finance, education, retail, and so on. Plenty of tools can display data incredibly well, with Microsoft's Power BI being a significant player in this space. Combine this concept with a digital signage solution, and your visual communication and targeted messaging will improve, as will the efficiency and decision-making benefits of having your data securely on display brings. Now, typically, this is achieved with native integrations with digital signage solutions that leverage the browser capabilities of the device on which you are displaying your dashboard data. But what happens when the browsers on those devices can't be updated anymore? Ultimately, when the data solution you are using adds new features and changes, older browser capabilities will eventually get to a point where they can't keep up and they become incompatible. Enter Signagelive. We've taken a slightly different approach to secure dashboards with our own Power BI integration and all other secure dashboard integrations. Instead of serving up real-time data that is dependent on the browser capabilities of the device that you are pushing your dashboard content to, we serve this data up as a snapshot image that is downloaded directly onto the player itself. This means that we depend on our own platform's browser capabilities, which are regularly updated. As is the data that is displayed on your screen, you can set a frequency at which the data is pulled from the Microsoft servers or the servers of any place that you are gathering your data from. When your media player next checks for new content, it will download the latest available snapshot and serve that up to your digital signage displays. The overall benefit here is that our solution operates for the lifetime of the hardware, and any changes or requirements that are imposed by the data solution, such as the minimum browser requirements changing, this will all be managed by our own software and not restricted to the web browsers on the devices that are no longer receiving web browser updates. Some additional benefits to our approach include the following: an added layer of security, because credentials and keys are securely stored in our platform, as opposed to being transmitted to the media player. If your player loses internet connectivity, then the last known data will remain on the screen. And finally, you can dust off the cobwebs off of any old Signagelive supported media player, and you can turn it into a dashboard displaying machine, since the device's end-of-life status isn't a factor here anymore. The world of digital signage comes up against a lot of challenges, especially when it comes to keeping features and content both reliable and secure with older hardware in the mix. However, with innovative approaches such as Signagelive's, businesses can leap over these hurdles effortlessly and keep their digital signage thriving and not just surviving. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions about Signagelive and our approach to displaying secure dashboards, please do get in touch and we'd be more than happy to help.